Before you go to install your skylight blind, you're gonna wanna take your T-brackets. You should have 2 on each side. They're gonna be like this, white T-brackets. You bolt them to the frame to put your 2 frames together, and then you'll see the insulation holes line up with the bolt holes on the actual track. You won't have bolts on the framework to screw them to, so you can put a nut halfway up on one of your bolts that you have left over, slip that through the hole, then you can add your acorn nut, tighten it up for a finished product. And then you'll see your insulation stays nice and tight to your blend. You have your remotes, and your auto shade goes in and out, or can also stop in place as needed.